What's going on, guys? Today I thought I'd show you how to add MDX to your Gatsby blog. So what that is in a nutshell, it allows you to use React components in Markdown, which is pretty cool. It does allow for a whole lot of extra robustness and functionality. So here I am, and I've just installed the default Gatsby blog right here. I can change directory into that, and then next we're just gonna add these dependencies for MDX. Finally, we're just gonna register the plugin in gatsby.config. Oh yeah, in Gatsby config.js. Here we are. And if we run npm run develop, we should be getting the project started with MDX enabled. So the way that Gatsby works is any pages under source pages, any React components under here are normally converted into pages. We have an index route and we have a 404 default page. Let's see if that boots up, and then we're gonna try to create not a React component but actually a markdown file under pages, which then should get picked up by MDX. So here we are. Let's have a look. Logo host 8000. Cool. So we have a blog with a couple of routes, and if we go to some 404 page, just to trigger the Gatsby development 404 page, which is super handy because it gives us all the current pages that we have built. Perfect. We see that we have 3 pages plus the 404 pages. Cool. So next, I think I will have to restart the server, so I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna create my post dot MDX. However, let me actually double check if can I use yeah, MDX files in the pages directory. So this is like my title, my post content. Yay, I can use Markdown. If we run npm run develop, this should now create a new page at /myPost. Cool, we're up. So localhost. Oh, let's go to our 404 page, refresh. And cool, here we are. We actually have a my post page, which is our new post that is using Markdown. So far so good, which is pretty neat. You would just use Markdown files to create pages. Pretty cool. However, where it gets like really cool is because now we have the ability to use React components in MDX. So say I'm gonna create here a new component, like a button that we can click, button, whatever, and I'm gonna export that, and I'm gonna bring that in right into my MDX. So if we say that this is a React component, import button, and if we say that let's use hooks. Let's use hooks. So I'm actually gonna have to rewrite here some things. Then in that case, we're gonna return some MDX or some JSX here. We're gonna return a button. Clicked count times. How many times? We'll see. On click, we're gonna be on click we're gonna be running narrow function where we can do set count. Whoa, where did that come from? Set count to count +1. I kind of wrote that a little bit in reverse, but you get the idea. Finally, let's use count and set count from state. So count set count from react.use state and initialize that with 0. Something like that. Should work if I'm not missing something. And so now we have this button component and we're exporting it here, and we're gonna come into our MDX and we're gonna bring it up here at the top by importing button from we are in pages, so one level up, and then into components button. Finally, let's use our button here. Fingers crossed that should actually work. So here is our button. Yeah, and we can click it. Pretty neat. So that's in a nutshell how you could super easily get started with bringing in React components right into your Markdown via MDX. That's absolutely amazing, because you get all the static power of Markdown plus all the functionality of React. Really, really cool. Definitely check it out. I think you could get also more information at the Gatsby plugin MDX page. So yeah, definitely check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later.